Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to fix your broken impact from the wall. This gun was dropped from the second floor, and I got it from Amazon. This housing, as you see, you can get it for a really good price. They're affordable. It's worth it to get it and fix it for less than $20. Thank you for watching my videos. Check this out. Just to let you know, you need to have this set of a screwdriver. This you can always work on, like right out on the impact. You can always work on your glasses or even a toy. If you want to fix a toy, replace batteries, you need to have this type of screwdrivers. They're very handy. You can always get it from Home Depot. Honestly, uh, they're not expensive. It's worth it to have it in your house to fix your stuff. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Nielsen. Welcome. Today, I took the time to fix it, and it's my day off today. So perfect time to fix it. You can fix it like I would say 15, 20 minutes the most. But honestly, you can always fix it. I mean, you just need a little sweet time here, there. Make sure nobody is interrupting you because I mean, you need to be very focused what you're doing, which is fixing your impact. Most of the time we are busy because family, work, well, dealing out with different type of responsibilities and stress everyone, but it's worth it, to take the time and the right set of screwdrivers. Remember these screwdrivers, you can have it from Home Depot. Cheap, very cheap. It's worth it to have it, like I said from the beginning. Just to be in the safe side, yes, you must have it with you. And today, I want to thank you for watching the whole video. It just, trying to help everyone else. My name is Nielsen. Thank you.